This is Darren, the CrossFit enthusiast. While he has the energy to do 500 squat thrusts wearing a lead vest, he somehow lacks the energy to rinse out his smoothie cups. This is Cheryl from Book Club. She prefers her novels steamy and her Merlot from a box, as her wine glass will surely attest. This is sweet little Georgie. He likes to drink and burp up formula from his favourite bottle here. They're all wonderful folks, but they leave a trail of hard-to-clean cups, glasses and bottles. It's why we created the First Wave Glass Rinser, the solution to the age-old problem of dried-on gunk. Just press downward and high-pressure water jets upward, powering away remnants before they have a chance to dry. The glass rinser is also ideal for washing narrow items like bottles and champagne flutes. In a home bar, you can use it to pre-rinse clean pint glasses or mugs. It was designed and built by the people at First Wave, the innovation lab inside Delta Faucet Company. It installs in a standard countertop hole. So, if you have an open spot after installing a new faucet, or if you want to replace an old soap pump, it's an easy upgrade. Order your First Wave glass rinser today, for yourself or for them.